Hello kiddies, today we're driving from Albany to Esperance. We're stopping in at Bremer Bay and Hopetoun on the way. And before we leave Albany though, we're going to a fabulous beach, the last one of Albany, and I think I saved the best for last. And let's hope you enjoy yet more beaches, and one day we'll get past the beaches, but between now and then, there's more of them for us to explore. Look at that. If there's one beach you need to see in Albany, this is it. It's got everything. You can four-wheel drive up there. Beautiful little rocks, and there's a Shadows Bay back there. So what more could you want? Let's take this beach for a run. Whoops, so let that water get you, Jasper. Oh, just beautiful. Okay, I think we found a bit less windier spot. This is the beach in Albany. If you want everything, this is where you come. Look at that. Beautiful. If you don't want high seas, great views, colourful rocks. Go over there, you've got the rough beach, four-wheel driving. It's not too much walk to the river. Absolutely gorgeous. This is my one recommendation for this place. Okay, we've come to Bremer Bay. It's quite beautiful. And I'm really watch this one avoid the water. It's quite nice, but the road, you can't see the beach. So this is kind of the only beach, but yeah, that's a beautiful beach, look at that. And the water is gorgeous. Stay there, mate. Go around there. There's some more of the water. Watch me fall over here and drop everything. Landing my camera. Stay there, buddy. Oh, there we go. So yeah, that's quite beautiful. But is it worth the drive? I'll probably go to Albany. The house is beautiful though. It's pretty impressive, isn't it? And this sand is like talcum powder. It is just so thin. Wow. are in, where am I now? In Hopetoun, and look at that beautiful beach, you folks. There's a bit of seaweed, it's not like the others, but apparently there's a little pontoon out there that kids can slide down, and this is where they teach the kids to swim, the local kids in town. It's got a massive thing, groiny thing that goes out the other end, and on the other side of it, so you can catch fish. And on the other side of the groin, I'll show you. Just bear with me a sec, you little peoples, as we walk over to the other side of this big groin. And look at that. Whoops, cars. We'll dodge cars while we're at it. Jazzy, wait. Jazzy, wait. Don't want squished doggy. And come over this side, you little peoples, over here. And what have we got? Look at that beach. So we're going for a walk along that beach this morning. I'll put some pickies in if anything exciting happens. Hopetoun. It's a great little place. No one comes, but it's perfect. Look at that. So I reckon that is one of the ways to the free camping. So just over those hills, you get to the free camp, and there's another walkway just up there. When I went the other day, there was like 15 spots there, so we'll drive past and have a look. But this is a great place to come if you want a free camp. And wait till I show you what I found near the car wash. Look at that. So that's the groin over there that we were on. How gorgeous is that? And then there's the beach. It's a bit rougher. And it goes on forever and ever. And there's free camping just over those hills, which I'll never look at later. But look at that. There's the pub right there. How good is that? You can have yourself a few beers and come down to the beach or go up and get some grub. What more could somebody want? So Hopetoun has got amazing, what do they call it? Free camping, 48 hours you're allowed in this spot. It's just over the sand dunes to the beach, as long as you're all self-contained and do everything. It's the place to be. It was a great little place. But the best thing was that there was a car wash for the car, and I couldn't believe it, there's a laundromat and they're hot showers. So if you're free camping, hot showers are a hard thing to find. So the car got a bath and everything is all clean and dandy. Hopetoun, great little place, you'd never suspect it. Had everything you'd ever dream of needing. Esperance, however, had absolutely no campgrounds. Well, they were all full when I got there, so you could park at the showgrounds, but it was $40 a night for an unpowered site. But you did get toilets and showers, and you could do the dishes, but you couldn't cook in the facilities there. So it was a nice park for the dog to walk around, but $40 a night, that counts as making $3,000 or $4,000 just out of a showground car park. You think they could have put a barbecue or something in for that price at least?